hopefully this will show up in the video. So this is the whole installation process of the M3 fenders. So you can take the fender off like this, or you can actually do it with the fender intact. So first thing I'm gonna do is, here's the template. You know, you're gonna either get a 3D template or 2D template, doesn't really matter. I have this notch here that I've put in, so you can align this up with the wheel flat here, and that distance will be about 6.3 inches, or about 160 millimeters of distance. So you can kind of measure straight from there, and that's how you can kind of put this in place. As you can see, it's kind of lined up nicely, and then you just trace around, right? So once you're done that, so this is a piece that will just kind of sit right on there, right? So let's try to Dremel this guy now. You Dremel all out. This piece right here should just fall off like that. And then you're left with this fender opening. This one I just did it without any tape, but make sure you guys put like tape on it before, so it's, you know, protects the rest of the surface. So all these areas you can just sand it off or file it off so it's nice and clean. Okay, I'm just gonna try to put this in here and see how that works now. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Just like that. You can see it. One more rear view. So what you're gonna do is you're going to put like a glue or 3M tape all around this, and then just settle right on there, just like that.